How to change network mode or enable or disable 5G network on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the setting gear or a setting app. Now tap on connections. Scroll down. Tap on mobile networks. Here you can find the network mode option. Tap on it. By default set the 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G if your device support the 5G network. If not support, select the LTE, 3G or 2G or 4G network on your Samsung device. So it's quite easy to select or switch between the network mode 5G to 4G or enable or disable 4G to 5G network. When you change the network, you can find the 5G or 4G symbol in the top of your status bar. So quite easy to change the network mode on a Samsung Z Fold 6 and other Samsung One UI 6.1 device. That's it. Play like it, share it.